back to my channel. It's your girl Sherry Monique, and I'm here with another video. But first of all, to those who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm glad you are subscribed. I hope these videos become useful to you. And to those who are new and have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and tap the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Okay, and jumping right into this video, so it's not extra long. As you all know, sorry, had a moment. But as you all know, I have heat damage, and I'm just trying to figure out how to restore it and get it back healthy again. I know it's going to take time and it's a process, but I'm starting that journey now and trying to get it back. What my hair is looking like right now, it's been like this for about 3 or 4 days. Had it in a puff. Well, I had a twist out, and then I put it in this little puff. And this is how it's looking right now. So what I'm doing for this process today, for this wash day, I will be using Aphogee 2-step protein. Step 1 is the strengthen treatment. Step 2 is the protective moisturizer. And then I will also be using the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor as well to put that on there. So once I wash my hair, which I will be washing and conditioning my hair before putting it on because it says put it on clean hair. So I'll be washing my hair off camera, and then once I'm done, I'll get back on here and show you what my hair is looking like, freshly washed and just conditioned. And then I will show you the process of me putting on the 2-step protein treatment, if I can grab it, and then also using the keratin treatment. So I'm about to hop in the shower and do that, and we're just all going to pray together that this actually works, because your girl is like over it so much. Like, y'all have no idea what is really good. But so anywho, one last time before I get off here and go wash my hair, I will be doing the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment, with step 1 being the strengthening treatment. It has amino acid blend, and then I will be going in with the protective moisture to put that moisture back in, and it has botanical extracts, vitamin A, and humectants. So that is this. This is what it looks like. That's the size of it. And then the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. So we'll be using that. And to wash my hair, I'll show you what I'm using once I get back. But I will be using the Maui, which will be my first choice. The Maui shea butter for dry, damaged hair. So I'll be using that. It'll be my first time, but I heard great things about it, so I'm going to use it. And then I will be using my go-to staple Aussie Moist conditioner, and then the Oars mayonnaise hair mask as a deep conditioner. I just purchased it last week and did it for my first wash go. Not my first wash go, but for the first time for my last wash hair. God, take the wheel for my last wash day routine, and I actually liked it. So I will be using that as well for the deep treatment. If I seem a little crazy, it's because it's literally like 11 o'clock at night and I'm half sleepy, but I need to get this done and out there. So next time you see me on here, it will be my hair and how it's looking after washing, and once it's clean, just put it that way. But just again, a close-up, don't judge me, I know I look a mess. This is what it's looking like. So we shall see what it looks like once we have shampooed and deep conditioned, and I'll see you all soon. Alright, y'all, so here I'm basically just speeding up the process and showing you all that I've already washed, shampooed my hair, and conditioned it. And I was showing you the products, which was the Maui shea butter and aloe vera shampoo for dry and damaged hair. And instead of using the Aussie Moist conditioner, I actually went in and used the Pantene conditioner, 48-hour frizz control conditioner. And now I'm just sectioning off my hair and getting ready to put in the actual protein treatment, step one, which is the strengthening treatment. And I am just showing you that box again, and I'm going in with step one. I do apologize. I was a little, what is the word, distracted, and trying to open up this box was a struggle, so that's why I'm looking down like that. But anywho, I finally got it out, showing you the product, and I'm just distributing it throughout my hair. It's going to be the same process, just raking it in, making certain I get all the tangles out with my fingers as well, detangling. It's a slippery feel to it, and it is tacky, but the process wasn't that bad as I heard and seen from other YouTubers. I actually thought it went just fine. It wasn't as sticky. Well, no, I take that back. It was sticky, but the smell was completely fine. I had no issues with it dripping anywhere. I didn't have to use a spray bottle. So everything, in my opinion, was fine. It's just like any other product when it comes to its smell and stuff like that. But anywho, I'm just, like I said, gliding it through, raking it through my hair with my hands, with my fingers, and detangling at the same time. And the process is pretty much repetitive, so I'm going to finish, I'm going to finish talking and let you continue to watch. All right, so enjoy. All right, y'all. So here I'm just showing you the products I used to actually shampoo and condition my hair, which was the Maui Moisture, honey and aloe vera for damaged hair. Also, I used the Pantene instead of the Aussie Moist. I'm showing you what my hair looks like, freshly washed, so fresh and so clean, clean. And I am just sectioning off my hair into two sections so that I can actually go through and put the product in my hair, which is the protein treatment, the strengthening treatment, which is step one. And it's pretty much repetitive, but I'm just showing you I'll break it up into sections. And I go in and I use my fingers to actually finger detangle and to rake the product throughout my hair. And I continue to do that the whole way through. Um, the product itself, I've seen a lot of reviews and everyone said that the smell was like really horrible and it was really tacky. The only thing I will say, the tackiness, yes, it's 100% correct. Very sticky, very tacky. But other than that, the smell, there was really no smell to me. It was fine. Also, it glided through my hair perfectly. Like it wasn't as watery and slippery as I thought. It was slippery, but it was not as watery as I actually anticipated. So that was a good thing as well. So it's just like any other product, but this is the protein treatment that I am putting throughout my hair, and I just wanted to go on and let you know pretty much everything is repetitive, like I said. So I'll go on and continue to let you watch this clip, and I will stop talking for a moment.
You blow my mind. Yeah. Through space and time, baby. You blow my mind. It's crazy. You blow my mind. Yeah. You blow my mind. Yeah. Through space and time, baby. You blow my mind. It's crazy. You blow my mind. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So here I'm just showing you what my hair looks like after I rinsed out the protein treatment. As you can see, it's still stringy, but it is a lot stronger in my opinion. I feel like it did help some, but as you know, the front of my hair is what's heat damage, and that's pretty much basically what I'm showing you, but I'm also about to start the second process, which is the moisture treatment after using the protein treatment, which is what the bottle that I actually just showed you, and that's what I'm breaking through my hair right now. Is the moisturizing conditioner, which stays on your hair for about 2 to 5 minutes. It says 2 minutes, but come on, you all know how we do, and my hair is a lot coarser. But as I was also stating, the front of my hair is what's really heat damaged. But I've always had looser curl pattern in the front. I have three different curl patterns in my hair, and it's a little aggravating, but this is what my hair is looking like now that I have put everything in it, and I'm going to continue to let this sit in my hair for a little while. And I also did do a deep conditioner, but I let it stay in overnight, and that's basically what I'm telling you all right here. And yeah, back to the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just telling you what I did about the protein treatment that I put in, which was step one, and then using the moisturizing conditioner. But I'm also, like I stated before, just a few seconds ago, I did use the Oars Hair Mayonnaise Deep Treatment Mask, and I slept with that overnight. Also put plastic cap over it, along with a towel to keep the moisture in, and then I'm going to wash it out. I also did trim an inch off my hair. That's what I'm showing you here. It's why I'm rubbing it. But basically, that's everything that's going on and all that I'm telling you. And that the next time you see me, it will be the next day because I did sleep in it overnight. So I will talk to you in the next clip. All right. See you then. Okay, I am back, y'all. It is the next day, and I literally just finished washing out the deep conditioner. So this is what my hair is looking like, with no products in it. There's no conditioner, anything like that. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, but that will be in a separate video directly after this. But this is what my hair is looking like after everything with the protein treatment, deep conditioning, all that. I just got out of the shower, and this is, yeah, what my hair looks like freshly washed and conditioned. My thoughts, I think it did a pretty good job. My hair does feel a lot stronger. It does feel a lot healthier. Obviously, it's not going to change heat damage overnight or in one use. It's going to have to be continuously used, which I will be doing. I do like it. It did give me the thickness that I have. It maintained that it actually seems a little thicker. It seems stronger. I don't know how that's possible, but it does seem a lot stronger. I didn't have as much shedding um, the second go round. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah, like I said, it was the Aphogee two-step protein treatment, and I really liked it for the most part. So I will be using it again. I probably will not use it my next wash day because I want to give it some time. You don't want to do too much protein at one time. So, but yeah, I did not use this because the two-step was enough, but I will be using this one for my next wash day. When I wash my hair, shampoo, condition, and then I will use this for, you know, deep conditioning along with my regular deep conditioner. So I still will be getting some kind of protein in there every week somehow, like just by using that, but not going overboard with strong um, protein and stuff like that. But anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please put them in the comment section down below. Please let me know your thoughts, what you think about it, what you think my hair, if you see a difference in my hair from the beginning to now. Okay, yeah. So just let me know if you see a difference or what you think about Aphogee if you've tried it. Your results what I could have done differently or anything like that. If you haven't tried it and you are going to try it, please let me know in the comment section below. But until next time, this video is long enough, and I'm going to get ready to prep to do the wash and go. So thank you so much again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video. But don't forget to pray for me as I pray for you. And hopefully we will see each other soon. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. So y'all continue to pray for me as I pray for you. Be blessed. Let's love on one another in a good way. None of that crazy stuff. But anywho, deuces, and I will see you all soon. Be blessed until my next video. Stay tuned.